another episode of the Drawing Science Club. Today I am your host, Brenda. Today we're going to be learning about whether temperature changes how fast something can dissolve in water. So here's what you'll need for this experiment. You need 3 jars, one with ice cold water, one with lukewarm water, and one with hot water. And I've gone ahead and marked a C, a W, and an H on these with a dry erase marker because as the candy canes dissolve, and the water temperatures even out, you won't be able to tell as easily which one was which. Labeling them makes it easier. So, first, unwrap your candy cane, break it into pieces, 3 pieces or so. Make sure you get all the plastic off, or else it won't dissolve properly. Okay, now drop each of your candy canes into each of these jars. So let's start with the cold one, then the warm one, and finally the hot one. Now use a stopwatch or a timer on a phone and see how long it takes for each of these candies to dissolve in the hot, the warm, and the cold liquid. Let's set our timer and watch. Well, it's been 15 minutes and here we are. The hot water has almost fully dissolved the candy cane. The warm water got about halfway through, and the cold water still has a bit of red on the sticks. That means that the hot water was the most effective at dissolving a candy cane and the cold water was the least effective. Here's the science. Temperature affects how quickly something dissolves in a liquid. The warmer a liquid is, the faster the molecules move around. The hot water is able to distribute and dissolve the sugar particles faster than the warm water and the cold water. Cold temperatures slow down the rate that molecules move, which means that it takes longer for the candy cane to dissolve in icy cold water than it does in hot water. While it takes just a few moments to dissolve a candy cane into hot water, it can take an hour or more for it to fully dissolve in cold water. The warmer water gets, the faster it can dissolve something. That's why often in cooking, when you want to dissolve something into a liquid quickly, you heat the water. That's it for today. See you next time.